Tracking KPIs in Monday.com can be a game changer for your business, but knowing how to do it effectively can be tricky if you're new to the platform. If you're here searching for a simple, straightforward way to track your key performance indicators, KPIs, in Monday.com, stick around, because I'm about to show you how to set it up and how it compares with some alternatives. Let's dive in. First off, Monday.com provides you with a customizable workspace to track everything from tasks to projects. But when it comes to KPIs, you need to know how to use the right tools. The first thing you want to do is set up your dashboard. Go to the main menu, click on the Dashboards option, and select Create New Dashboard. From here, you can add widgets that will help you visualize your KPIs. Next thing, once your dashboard is set up, you'll want to add the Chart widget. This is crucial for tracking KPIs because it lets you track performance over time using visual graphs. Choose a data source from your boards, and you can then decide which metrics to track. These might include things like sales numbers, customer satisfaction scores, or any other data that's key to your goals. The third thing to remember is using the Numbers widget. This is useful for a more straightforward, non-graphical approach to KPIs. You can display exact values, such as revenue growth or project completion percentages, and keep track of them in real time. This is ideal for those who want to keep an eye on specific metrics without diving into charts. Another important feature is the Battery widget. It's often overlooked but very useful. It visually represents progress toward your goals, such as project completion or sales targets. It can make your KPIs feel more dynamic, giving you and your team a clear sense of how close you are to achieving your objectives. The fifth thing, automations in Monday.com can also help with KPI tracking. Automating the process of updating and reporting on KPIs is a huge time saver. Set up automations to notify your team when a KPI reaches a certain threshold or when a task is overdue. This keeps everyone on track and focused on the metrics that matter most. Now, here's the thing. While Monday.com is powerful, it's not always the easiest tool to use when you're trying to track specific KPIs across multiple teams and projects. It can become a bit overwhelming, especially if you're looking for a more specialized KPI tracking solution. That's why I recommend checking out alternatives that focus more on KPI management. One such alternative is ClickUp. ClickUp lets you set up more tailored KPI dashboards and provides more granular control over your metrics. Plus, it's a bit easier for teams to adopt and integrate into their workflows. Finally, before I go, I want to share a little bonus. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial of Monday.com. But as I mentioned, if you're really focused on tracking KPIs effectively, make sure to check out those alternatives I just mentioned. Both offer great free trials as well. So, click the link, grab your exclusive benefits, and start tracking your KPIs the right way.